This is the summary of the usability test of a microwave done by Erica, Amy, and Jorge, and by George Cafe on the Aldegar Library. The model of the test microwave is a 2016 Magic Chef 1.1 cubic foot countertop microwave. We selected 3 random college students in the by George Cafe to be the test participants. The reason is most college students are familiar with the use of microwave. By regulating the user group, the test will not be a test on their individual knowledge, but a test on the microwave itself. The test will just become more meaningful. Furthermore, the factor of bias is eliminated by randomness. The 3 tests we designed for our usability test are A. Cook a bag of popcorn, B. Open and close the door of microwave, and C. Change the temperature setting of the microwave to 50. The first 2 tests examine the basic function of the microwave, while the third test tests the microwave's ability to customize.
We chose to collect data on the time it took each participant to complete the given task to test the efficiency, the difficulty of each task on a scale of 1 to 5 to collect data on the user's satisfaction, and we asked for users' comments on the successfulness of the task to get more insight on the effectiveness of the microwave functions. For the first task, we asked participants to complete was pretending to cook a bag of popcorn. The amount of time taken to complete this task was fairly similar for all 3 participants, and the difficulty level was low. Each participant was able to successfully complete the task, however, in various ways. Participants 1 and 2 chose to input their own time settings, while participant 3 used the designated popcorn button. For the second task, we asked participants to simply open and close the door of the microwave. Each participant completed the task successfully and with ease. They said the button feature was easy to find and to push in order to open the door. Participant 2 preferred the handle feature over the button because the door does not swing out.
After telling our users to change the power setting, we observed a large difference in time, difficulty, and successfulness of task. The time it took for participants 1 and 3 to complete this task was significantly longer than previous tasks. This is due in some part to mislabeling. Participants 1 and 3 said that they thought the button was for something else. Participant 2 was able to correctly identify it, but once they got there, did not know how to change the temperature. Thus, the task was more difficult, and participants 1 and 3 didn't complete it. Due to the struggle by all 3 participants on task 3, something to fix about this design would be to lead the user in a better direction when it comes to the power settings. The participants stated that even if the design were obvious, they may not use the feature. Having a knob or a dial on the microwave with a 1 to 10 scale for temperature change could help users more clearly identify the power setting and customize it to their liking while giving a relative scale. Labeling this change power and temperature allows the user to identify the function. Some changes to how we went about our usability testing could be to allow our participants to heat real popcorn in the microwave. This would make the study more realistic, causing our participants to act more as they would naturally instead of when they were being watched for a study. More self-conscious actions would be provoked by stimulating a real situation instead of just pretending with no food at all.